What up, YouTube? Epic Rage, and today I'm showing a video of this pretty awesome BB gun that I just got. It is a green gas powered saur. Pretty cool blowback. This actually pretty cool. I could get this cocked back, locks when it's out of ammo. Pretty cool. So yep, pretty cool. Just wanted to show it off. And these actually really hurt. And this is a replica too of a real gun. A real mag actually fits in here. Seen a state trooper do it. So BB gun. This is the can of green gas used to load the mag to shoot it. There you go.